Let's be honest with each other. YouTube is stressful. Let's not lie to each other. YouTube is stressful. The editing, the title, and the thumbnail, the 0 views. Like, oh my God. God, I beg you. Or sometimes you ask yourself, is it even worth it? Or should I just even quit already? Let's talk about it. Intros. Anyways, hello everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Bolu Vibes. And today we are keeping it real. And I'm answering the one question that every YouTuber, big or small, mighty or mighty, has always asked themselves at some point. Does YouTube really worth the stress? Part 1. The stress is real. See, let's not sugarcoat anything today. Let's just say the truth. YouTube is a grind. You spend hours to filming, editing, thinking of ideas that you want to use to do your video. And sometimes you post a video and it flops. No views, no comments, just crickets. And you start wondering, why am I even doing this? Does YouTube even want all this stress? You even be tired. But part 2. Think about the reward. Now, here's the truth. The same YouTube that stress you can also change your life. Your video can reach thousands or millions of people. You can even build a community, even grow your brand, even make money first of it all. Because I know that's what all of us want. We want to make money on YouTube. That's why most of us open YouTube channel. That's the main reason. All of us want to make money on YouTube. That's the only reason most people open YouTube channel. Oh yes, even go YouTube channel. Yes. And even you open doors to opportunity you never imagined of. You see people like that will just blow all of a sudden saying, all thanks to YouTube, all thanks to YouTube. That is the power of YouTube. That's why you should not quit your YouTube channel. You understand? So point 3, the long game. YouTube is not a get quick money. It's not overnight success. You can't just grow up overnight. So you come on YouTube just grow up overnight. Nah, wait I talk. Nah, lie. YouTube is like planting a seed. So at first you water it and you see nothing. But the roots are growing underground. They are growing underground where you cannot see. The views, the subscriber, the watch hour, they will come if you stay consistent. I can testify to it. Yes. Ever since I've been doing life, I've get to meet different people. And after the life, I used to appreciate them like, okay, thanks to Games and App, thanks to Odumodibora, like, YouTube make me meet a lot of people through the power of live streaming. If you're not in live streaming, I'm missing a lot of things. No. Start live streaming, start it. If you have not been live streaming, start doing to your channel. It's a way of connecting to people. Yes, because I use live streaming to meet a lot of people that are normal. Doing posting of videos, I will not meet them. So do live stream. It's something that made most people on directing, but it's also a way of getting subscriber and watch hour. Yes, if you stay consistent, you meet people. Because first and foremost, you start live stream very well, 0 people, nobody will join. But as time goes on, they'll start joining. You understand? Part 4. Why is it worth it? So is it worth the most stress? Yes. See, let me tell you. If you love creating content just like me, if you're passionate about your message, your story, or your skills, it's making out editing skills. So comment like this one now that say, you will not start a channel, but because what the editing is crazy. All thanks to YouTube and CapCut. That's the 2 things I edit. Like YouTube's one of the things that I edit videos. Do you understand? But YouTube is one of the most power and best platform ever. You share it with the world, your story, your skills, your talent, your message. Because YouTube is one of the things that will pay you in dollars. Do you understand? Let me tell you something. We do. YouTube is a place that is the easiest way to make dollar. Forget any other place. See, YouTube is straightforward. 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch hour. Yes. Let me tell you something again. YouTube is the best platform to share every story with the world. But if you are here for quick money, then maybe you are not going to make money. Let me tell you the truth. 3M personal thought. Me personally, there were times I almost quit my YouTube channel. I cannot lie for it because YouTube is hard. Yes, YouTube is hard. But every time I got comment like, this is what I've been searching for on YouTube for a long time. Say your video help me. When I go through the comment section, it always reminded why I started my YouTube journey. Yes. That's why I now remember, YouTube is not just special. It's an investment into your personal self. It's an investment into myself. most of my first set of videos on YouTube, if I keep playing my first set of videos for you, I have grown, I have met, I have grown myself, I have developed, all thanks to YouTube. Oh yes, I won't grow up to this point though. I can't believe I can learn some things up to this point. Yes, content creating YouTube has really changed my life. So it's worth the stress. So yes, YouTube is stressful. Outro. So yeah, YouTube is stressful. But if you push through, it is one of the most rewarding things you can ever do for yourself. It's one of the best investments you can ever do for your personal self. See, my advice for you is, don't focus on number yet. Don't focus on number. Focus on the goods, the lesson, and one thing is the people you impacted. Yes, look at my comment section. You see it. That is what makes YouTube worth it. So, if you agree or disagree with me, drop your thoughts in the comment section. I want to hear from you people. Yeah, share. I think this video has motivated you. Smash that subscribe button. Like this video. I want turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. I want see you in my next video. Yam Bull vibes. Bye bye. This papa is strong.